Hi, in this video we'd like to continue on our PCOS series, and today's topic is talking about why PCOS is an organic disease that only can be treated effectively via surgery. So what does an organic disease mean in the first place? So an organic disease means that fundamentally there's an organic problem within the body relating specific organs within the body that is affected with this disease. It's not a functional thing, it's an organic that we can specifically trace into the exact location within the body. Where is the disease originating? Where is the symptoms coming from? This is known as organic disease. So for PCOS, as we all know, the disease originates from the ovaries because there's presence of abnormal tissues within the ovaries. So on organic disease, regardless of what type of treatment you go for organic disease, the only way to see effective treatment outcome is via surgery. Surgical intervention is the only way to treat organic diseases. But nowadays, a lot of patients, especially our PCOS patients, are going for medication, they're going for traditional Chinese herbs and remedies, they are going for dietary intervention and so on and so forth. Lifestyle changes, they believe that over time, with these habits, these interventions that are non-surgical, they believe that they can see some improvement in their lives, because these patients, they are suffering from the physical symptoms and also symptoms of unable to getting a successful pregnancy, infertility, not ovulating regularly. It is a rather pressing issue because it can affect their life, and this disease can affect their entire life as well, since young until their old age. So at Antai Hospital, we've seen many patients go through this process of going for these interventions, and some of them may or may not see some improvement. Those that see improvement simply is because there is some form of the symptoms being dissipated, but it's not being specific to the root cause, which means these types of intervention are lifelong. For example, medication. If you want to go for medication intervention, you need to be on the medication through your entire life if you want to see the symptoms dissipate. And then again, the organic disease is still present within the body. All of these interventions only serve to suppress symptoms. And some people are happy with this because they believe quality of life is improved. But the only time they begin to stress and they begin to feel anxious, they begin to seek proper treatment is when they are trying to get pregnant. Regardless of what type of medication you go for, intervention, remedies, lifestyle changes, dietary changes, it cannot help you in achieving healthy pregnancy or overcome infertility. At this stage, only surgery can overcome, because surgery is effective for organic diseases, as we've mentioned before. So the organic disease within the ovary is presence of this testicular tissue. How we treat this condition is very straightforward. All you need to do is just go for this treatment, and you can reap the benefits towards your whole life without any dependence on any other intervention, diet or medication. You will see the symptoms dissipate, you will see the quality of life increasing because the obesity starts to dissipate, the physical symptoms, the acne, the body hair starts to dissipate, and pregnancy can be achieved. So we use 3D laparoscopy surgery, which is a minimally invasive technique, and we simply remove only the abnormal tissue. Now, we have the expertise and experience, so we know exactly how to do this surgery to the maximum efficiency to ensure that you have a successful outcome. Upon recovery, now this treatment comes with a full refund guarantee, full contractual treatment. If you still do not achieve pregnancy, or if you're still experiencing infertility, if you are still unable to ovulate regularly on a 28-day cycle, then we are obligated to refund you the full refund guarantee, because this treatment is in fact effective and can ensure your fertility goals. So please visit the website, do more research on the topic, because all these lifestyle interventions, medication interventions are only temporary. What you need is an effective one-time surgical intervention, and we do provide that for you at Antai Hospital. So do leave me feedback down below, and also do stay tuned to the next one.